Hey guys, this is Dakota with Sprengers Mobile Detailing. We're out here at Renegade Products facility in Orange County. Today we got a 2012 Jeep Rubicon Unlimited that we've been working on. We just washed it. It's beautiful, but as you can tell, these fenders have been faded by the sun. This Jeep sits outside, and as much as you can take care of it, you still have to use a certain product on these to get it back to basically this color right here. So today, I'm going to show you how to do that. It's one very easy, simple step. Today we're going to be using Renegade's Rebel rubber, vinyl, and plastic. It's amazing on tires, it's amazing on plastic, it's amazing on vinyl. Anything you can think of. It's a very strong but soft chemical. So it's not going to hurt your paint, it's not going to hurt if it gets on your skin. I like to use gloves anyway, but to each his own. So let me show you how to do that. I like to spray on the sponge first, and then slowly go down over the fender. Some people like to spray the fender, but for me, since I just washed this Jeep, I don't want to get the paint all dirty. If you want to use this product without washing your Jeep first, that's totally fine. But make sure these fenders are clean. What I like to do is take a microfiber towel, get it wet, wring it out, and then go over it. Get all the bugs off, get all the mud off, because then this chemical works really well. Getting in these cracks, you're going to spray the sponge, but really try to spray the very edges like that. And then I always use a microfiber towel to just get over all the corners. And then if you see in the sunlight, sometimes you'll see a little residue. That's fine, just go over it again. Look at the difference right now between this color and this color. So now we're going to repeat on the whole Jeep. We're going to do the mirrors, we're going to do the handles, we're going to do the guard. Very easy, same process, same steps. Remember, with those hard to reach places, just get the corners. It makes it a lot easier getting around there. All right, now let's do this guard down here. Look at the difference on that. You can really see it on this. And this will last you a long time, even in the sun. It doesn't matter. You can leave it outdoors, it'll last you for a while. Now see, it's kind of difficult to get into here, so that's okay. You can still spray it, but you're just gonna have to go over again. Alright guys, now that we've finished up, you can tell a world of difference on this Jeep. We washed it, we always take care of it, but look at the difference on these fenders. It looks like it was sitting out in the sun, and now it looks like it just came off the lot. That's what this product will do for you. We always recommend this to all of our customers to at least put this on once a month to make your Jeep or any other car looking like it's brand new right off the lot. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to Renegade for having us out today. Follow Sprengers Detailing on Instagram, follow Renegade Products on Instagram, and look up renegadeproductsusa.com. Thanks for watching.